together. Is this close enough?
You know what? Kind of like Andy Garcia. I don't know. There might be some sparks there.
Ooh, ooh. Actually, Rosie likes me. Andy was kind of iffy. Don't you like? You do like me.
Sure, I like everybody down here.
All right, we're just checking. Rosie Ramirez, we're talking ceiling fans this morning. And here is something very interesting. Rosie says that, did you know that a two-blade fan circulates more air than, what, like a five-blade fan?
Actually, a two-blade fan circulates more air than any blade fan.
You're kidding.
Many people will make the mistake of buying, like I did here. This just came right out of my house.
Did it really?
This five-blade fan will move no more air than a four-blade. There are four things that are important about a ceiling fan. And I'm going to set this up. If you can see the pitch of the blade, the angle that it attacks through the air,
Yeah.
the surface area of the blade, the distance between the blade, and the RPM of the motor are the four things that make up an efficient fan. You'll find many times people will be selling pitch. They want you to talk about pitch, pitch, pitch.
Well,
You know,
what's a good...
This is a 15 angle, a 16 degree angle. You know, the pitch is matched to the motor. It does you no good to get a 16 degree pitch blade with a fan motor that only does 100 RPM.
Well, do you want a high pitch or a low pitch?
It has to be matched to the fan speed.
And
so
how do you know that, though?
I would encourage everybody to stick with major brand name fans. You can get fans from $29 to $1,000. I can tell you, to get a good fan that'll run quietly and do the job it's supposed to do, you're probably going to start at about $80, $80 to $100.
All right, and let's talk about this right here. Right here, you look and there is a big difference between indoor and outdoor fans, and really you need to make sure you get the right one. That's
right. You need the motor protected from the outdoor elements. So if you're going to do patio fans, which I recommend, they're great, go to an outdoor fan.
Okay.
They have to be rated, UL rated for damp conditions.
All right, I have to ask you this question. How do you balance it? You know, after a while it gets going and starts going all over the place. Every fan in my house is doing that right now. How do you balance it?
I'll tell you what, the secret is probably that it's not mounted correctly. If it's mounted correctly with a steel bracket to a steel junction box, it will not vibrate. A good fan will not vibrate.
A good fan. I guess I need to go out and buy a couple of fans then, Tara. Interesting. Did you know that? Two blades is the same or if not better than five?
No, I always learn stuff from Rosie.
Well, he's a smart guy.
Yeah, he is. And I think he's got a little crush on you, Tara.
You think he likes me?
I don't know. When we come back, Bob